Adventure day, exploring one of the highest alpine creeks in the Santa Anas. Should be fun. Nice little cascade. Let's see what we're at. $55. Even way out here, a reason why I hate balloons. They end up everywhere. All these cool ferns out here too. Following a little spring up the canyon. See where it goes. Comes right out of the ground, right in there. This is gonna be on perfectly good drinking water. Found this giant sucker out here. It's a canyon oak. These aren't too common in the Santa Anas. And this one's massive. Awesome. Climbing up a steep hillside here to reach some big cone Douglas firs. These are cool trees. A little windy out here today. Wow. This big cone Douglas fir is massive.